Um, Hello everyone. Today I want us to talk about Natalie Bray's proportion table. Yeah, so I'm gonna put it right up here. I realized that there are some people who are struggling to understand um the proportion table. Yeah, so I use Natalie Bray's method to draft, and so I want people to really understand me why drafting, because after this video I'm going to post how to draft a basic bodies, and I want people who watches the video to really understand it, right? So I will just make it very simple and short. So Natalie Bray uses centimeter, right? And most of us use inches, right? And I use both centimeter and inches because like I said, I am using Natalie Bray's method to draft my pattern, although it is modified by me, because if you blindly follow the step, there are some few errors there that I modified, I corrected, right? So what I did was that I use inches to take my measurement. So when I want to get my points OCB, my back neck wideness, my depth of arm O, my back UP, and my dart, I use centimeter. Okay, so this is what I normally do when I take measurements with inches. So when it's time for me to draft my pattern, I check whatever measurement I have in inches to centimeter. For instance, something like this, right? This is 39. This is 39 inches, right? So I do it like this so I can get what 39 inches is in centimeter. So it's giving me 99.5, right? So 99.5, then what I would do is I would check in the measurement table. I would check what 99.5, where 99.5 is. So there is no 99.5 here, but there is 96 here. So I'll go to 96, bust 96, then I'll go to, that's V, then I'll go to a proportion table, right, which gives me 3.5 cb. Then back neck width gives me 7.5. then depth of arm O gives me 22, back UP gives me 6, and that gives me 8. So if you are working with bust 40, all you need to do is, after downloading or better still, print out your measurement table. You print it out or you download it, whichever way. If you're working with bust 40, all you need to do is just check what 40 is in centimeter. So 40 in centimeter is 101.5. 101.5. Then you go to the measurement table, you check 101.5 or the next figure, the next number to it, right? So 101.5. Here I'm seeing 104. There is 100 and there is 104. So 104 is quite a little bit far from 101. You'd rather go with 100, right? So then in 100, the proportion table of bust 100 centimeter is 3.5. Back neck width, that's 7.5. depth of shoulder, that's bust line, that's 22.5. back UP, that's 6. That's 8.5. And how do you get this? Like I said earlier, if you are using inches to take your measurements, you check whatever measurement you have in inches you change it to centimeter. Then you come to the measurement table. Whatever your bust is, Like I said earlier, if your boss 40 gives you 100, you go to the proportion table. The measurement table, 100 is VI, then you go to proportion table, then you check the figure of VI. So whatever this thing that is in VI is your proportion table, so your proportion measurement. So you write that out before drafting your pattern. It's as simple as that. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.